Welcome to Lolo TV. Fun learning every day. Hello, little learners. Tap the subscribe button and join us to learn something new every day. Today, we will listen to the fun story of the true strength of the jungle.
This water is mine. No one can drink it without my permission.
But dear lion brother, everyone feels thirsty. What's the use of fighting? Sharing is always better than quarreling.
Come on, let's all share this water together. Only then everyone's thirst will be quenched.
Absolutely right. Living together in harmony is the true strength of the jungle. All the animals drank the water one by one and became friends.
This story teaches us that by working together, even the biggest problems can be solved.